Let's unwrap the acrylic sheet. It looks exactly like glass. This is amazing. So this is the sketch I drew on paper. And I'm gonna put the glass sheet on the paper and I'm gonna fix it with the tape so it doesn't move. For tracing, you could do with a permanent marker of slanted nib. Now I am tracing the sketch on the glass sheet using permanent marker. As you can see, I am using the pointed part of the nib for more precision. This is my first time I'm drawing on acrylic sheet, and this is really a very good experience for me. I am trying really very hard to trace it in one stroke, because if you do it in 2 or 3 strokes, it just looks gross. Oh my god, my hand is getting jerky. But don't worry about the slip-ups, because I'm gonna fix them later with methylated spirit. As for information, methylated spirit is a chemical you can use for many purposes, but one of the main purposes of it is here, that you can use to remove the permanent marker. Basically, this is the birthday gift I'm preparing for my friend. We've been friends since last 4 years and we studied together at university, and this is our last year in the university. And maybe it would be her last birthday with me, not her last birthday. So I thought, why shouldn't I give her a very valuable gift that just illustrates only me and her? And that should have an artistic touch as well. So I thought of an acrylic sheet, and now I am doing it. I hope it turns out well. So the tracing is ready. As you can see, I have made many changes and modifications, and I think it turned out well. So the next step is to paint it. So let's paint it. Painting is done on the opposite side of tracing. I choose the parrot color to paint the hijab. I'm adding a thin layer of paint. That will not do. I have to add a very thick layer. I waited till it got dried. Then I chose kinda blue color to paint another hijab. I'm adding a very thick layer of paint. You have to be very careful when you paint. Painting on glass is done on different layers. It is the opposite process of painting on the paper. I think it's almost done, so I will wait till it gets dried. Now I am painting a little heart with the red color. Now I will add a white dot in the eyes. Then I will paint the lens with black color. Now I'm painting the upper eyelid with golden color. Now I'm going to paint the white part of the eye with white color. Now I'm using a dark brown color and I am painting it along the edges of the hijab. I am using the same dark brown color to paint the palms. Now I'm using the light skin color tone to paint the hands. I will use the same skin color tone to paint the face. The face is fully covered. I am first making the outline of the heart, which I have to paint. Now I'm painting the heart with a golden color. Use yellow color to paint the emojis. I'm trying very hard to make a circular shape with the brush. Now I'm using the silver color to paint the plane. Painting is done. Now it's time for result. You guys tell me in the comment section how it turned out. I did my best to paint it. I hope she likes it as well. Thank you for watching my video. Also watch part 2 of the video in which I'll give her this gift. Bye bye.